Okay, here we go. Quick review for your December 1st or 2nd virtual learning, whichever day it happens to be. Your assignment, as it says on Schoology, is through Edulastic. Multiplying and dividing sign numbers. 3 times 4, obviously 12. 1 negative makes it a negative. That's a little bit more. So that's negative 12. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 2 negatives, when you multiply or divide, make it a positive 2. Now, when you add or subtract, when you combine them together, basically, they're separated by a plus sign here. They weren't separated by a multiplication or division sign. If you get rid of the multiplication sign here, it's still the same thing because there's no addition or subtraction sign, so you would still multiply it anyway. But 1 negative makes it a negative. So negative 5, negative 7, that's a total of 12 bad guys. 1 negative makes it a negative. Again, 10 minus 3 gives you a final answer of 7. Unit price. If you get 3 drinks for $7.20, what is the cost of basically 1 drink? That's what the unit price is. So take your $7.20 divided by 3 and oops, drop the 2. 3 times 4 is 12, minus 12 is nothing. Decimal goes straight up, so that is $2.40 each for each drink. Okay? Solving inequalities. Goal is to still get x by itself and do addition or subtraction first. So add 5 to both sides. Add 5 goes to 0. Still have your 3x. If you multiply or divide by negative, it flips the sign. In this case, we don't have to. So instead of multiplying by 3, you divide by 3. And x is less than or equal to 5. If you have to graph it, there's 5. Bigger is 6. Smaller is 4. Equal to means it's a closed circle. Arrow pointing to the left. So you want anything smaller or equal to 5, which is what our line indicates. Proportional relationships. If you're in first, second, or third hour, these we briefly talked about in 5.2. All you got to do is find something that has a scale factor. Scale factor, you have to multiply or divide to get the other number. You cannot have an addition or subtraction pattern. So if you take a look at these two, see if you can figure out quick which one you think is in a proportional relationship, if any are. Go from x to y up here. You add 1, you add 1, you add 1, you add 1. So since the pattern is adding 1, it is not in a proportional relationship where it's not proportional. Okay? Down here, to go from 3 to 12, 4 to 16, 7 to 28, and 10 to 40, you're multiplying by 4. So this one is in a proportional relationship. Just a brief review of what you guys are going to see on your Edulastic. It is for a grade. As of right now, I'm planning on having my Google Meet up. Please ask me if you guys need any help, have any questions. Be more than happy to help you out. Thanks, guys.